All right, guys. First up, we got another Leaf autograph football jersey 2021. Got some huge names in here as we work through this case. So let's see if we can pull a big name out of this one. So Bruce, you've got the Ravens. David, you've got the Broncos, the Bears, the Packers, the Falcons, Bengals, Lions, Texans, Colts, Jags, Saints, Giants, Jets, and Redskins. Carlton with the Browns. Kyle T with the Titans. Linda, you've got the Cowboys. Ray, what's going on, dude? You've got the Panthers, Raiders, Rams, Dolphins, and Steelers. Rick with the Chiefs, Chargers, Vikings, Patriots, and Bucks. And then Zach, what's going on, man? You've got the Eagles and the Cardinals. All right, let's see what we can get. We pulled Joe Montana. I think last weekend was a Paul Warfield. Oh, nice. It's going to be a Frank Gore. That is going to be... Looks like that's a 49ers jersey. So nice hit there for the 49ers. So Beckett authenticated. Got to be a future Hall of Famer, man. He's had a long, huge career. So congratulations. We'll get that jersey in the mail tomorrow. And we'll do another of these coming up next week. So they're on eBay now. They'll end Saturday. And we'll break it here next Monday.